Good evening, ako ulit si Marie Chris. 3 months na ako sa Herbalife. I'm an accountant here in Makati. So meaning, sa Herbalife part-time ako. 2 hours a day, tapos every weekend. In my I was just like you, 3 months ago, nandyan sa likod, nakikinig, nagtataka, naiirita sa mga sinasabi dito sa harap. Tama, di ba, guys? After 3 months in Herbalife, I made 35,000 a month, extra income.
Nagawa ko yung Herbalife, very part-time. Last month lang ako, I earned 12,500, very part-time kasi nag-aalaga ako ng 2 baby.
In the company barely 3 weeks ago, and I am a registered nurse, and I joined this for an extra income, and I kind of I have like 11,500 or more than that.